So I raided the junk pile today and started to put together a crawler course for my wife and I's new trucks. And here is what I've come up with so far. Just a concept for now, but I want to try it out and see what works and what doesn't work and build from there. Now, unfortunately, I was planning on trying to do a test run on it tonight, but I think I left my truck turned on and it has a dead battery. And since this is the only Redcat item I have with this style battery, I don't have a backup for it. So looks like I'm gonna have to wait for it to charge.